To my dearest Carlo, hindi naging madali ang simula para sa atin. Ang pagbukod, ang pagtataguyod sa aming mag-ina, ang pagsalo ng mahigit sa 4 na taon na gastusin was not a walk in the park. Pero ni minsan di ka nagreklamo, di ka bumigay, di ka dumaing. Kami ang inuna mo. Ngayong nakaratay ka sa banig ng karamdaman, Carlo, ako naman. Katulad mo, hindi ako susuko. Hindi ako mapapagod. Basta umigi ka lang. Laban lang para sa amin ang anak mo. Hindi ako bibitiw. Kakapit ako hanggang bumalik ka sa akin. This is my love note. A promise of forever hanggang sa araw na magkatagpo kami ulit sa harapan ng altar. Minsan sa buhay natin, makakatagpo tayo ng tao that would do just about anything para sa atin. Hindi sila magrereklamo, hindi sila dadaing because they know they are fighting for life, they are fighting for a great reason, and that is for the people they love. So sa mga oras na ganyan yung nangyayari sa taong mahal mo, I know it's unbearable. I couldn't imagine how much pain you are in. How stressful it is for you to try and go about every single day knowing that your partner is fighting for their lives. Pero my love, this is not the moment for you to falter. Hindi ito yung moment para bumigay ka. Hindi ito yung moment para mag-breakdown ka. I know that you deserve a time na mag-breakdown a little para makabalik ka ulit kasi nailabas mo lahat, pero this is not the moment for it. Darating ka sa panahon na weak ka na, but you know deep within you, you still have to fight. Kasi you are no longer fighting for yourself nor for your selfish reasons. You are fighting for your family to be whole again. So sa ating letter sender na si Eva, kung gaano lumaban si Carlo para sa inyo. I know I don't have to say this, but you have to fight just as hard as Carlo did 4 years ago para sa pamilya ninyo. Things do happen for a reason. And I do believe na yung higher power, they bless the worthy. So laban ka lang. Just keep your family together. And just breathe. Huwag mong kakalimutan yun, huminga, magpahinga. Kailangan mo yun Pero huwag kang susuko. You have a lot of people rooting for you. You have your family, you have your friends. You ask help. Seek for guidance. Seek for assistance if you need to. Kasi my love, if there's one thing that I know for sure, sa mga ganitong klaseng laban ng buhay, it's important that you know that you are not alone. Na hindi ka mag-isa. That there are people around you who will be more than willing to be of help. Magsabi ka lang. Communicate. Lalo na yung thoughts mo. Kasi right now, your thoughts are everywhere. At syempre, the negativity will start knocking in. O diba? Knocking sa doorstep mo. Trying to penetrate your mental stability. So, communicate. Express what you feel to people that you trust. Kasi it will help you keep it together. Kasi kung merong isang bagay that can help you get through tough times like this, that is a steady faith. Kailangan yung faith mo unbroken. Kailangan yung faith mo indestructible. And that can only happen when you have the right support system with you sa pinagdadaanan mo. So I wish you all the best, Eva. And I know how strong Carlo is. So kung ano man niyang pinagdadaanan ng pamilya ninyo, like every family sa mundo. That too shall pass. That storm above your head, those dark clouds na nararamdaman nyo above your head, that too shall pass. Just have faith and be strong. Maniwala kang you have the best support system around you, not to mention you have your kid that will always be by your side. Sometimes, my love, pag may pinagdadaanan yung partner natin, we would wish na sana tayo na lang yun. We would wish na we can switch places with them because we cannot bear yung image of them suffering, in pain, hurting. Pero my love, like everything else in life, it all happens for a reason. And maybe the reason as to why it's happening to you, because katulad nga ng sinabi sa akin ni Nicole Ayala before, when I was going through something, the higher power sends his strongest soldiers to the most difficult battles in life. And maybe you are one of those strongest soldiers. So keep the faith, my love, and be strong, because you are a strong woman. Like everything else, lilipas din to. Klaro?